Dear fellow recruiters, welcome to the channel. This video is for our Indian recruiters who are trying to place Indian candidates with their Indian clients. Alright. Now I have prepared this video to explain them how they can use their Naukri portal to source candidates. Alright. Now you know how to write Boolean search, right? That's not a big deal. So anyways, I'm going to share few more information related to your sourcing. At the same time, how you manage your portal, how you use your portal in effective manner. That's what you should know. So in any job board, if you know how to use the functions properly, you could able to get the candidates. Okay, you could be working in any stream. Could be in domestic, could be in US, Canada, UK, whatever it is that your region that you're working. If you know how to use the job board's functions, okay, because every job board, every ATS has a function. Now you should know and you should use your logic to work towards bringing the output by using those functions properly. Okay, it is totally up to you. So here, if you see in any portal, you have the skills section to use your Boolean. Then there will be proximity, right? It's like from where, or you may say location if you call. And what else you will have? Experience, okay? And you will have industry, okay? And you will have salary range you will have, okay? And different portals will give different search criteria, different functions that can be used by recruiters to pull those resumes or the profiles. Now you need to understand how these portals work, okay? The portals will give you those functions. You can use that to pull the profiles the way the profile has been, built. If you once stop your recruiting hat and you go back and you upload your resume. So if you're working in domestic, you can use your domestic portals to create your own profiles. Okay. Now when you see what are the fields are there for you to fill. Now those are the fields will be given to you in the output. So if that is the input, what is that we are playing is with the output. Okay. Now if you remember in portals, when a job seeker uploads a profile, what is that it will ask? It will ask you to update the profile, upload the profile at the same time with the names, email ID, contact number. What else? Skills, experience, job title, and the company name, experience, certifications, location, everything it will ask, right? Now you need to use that logic. Okay, don't just sit in a corner thinking that I'm not a good recruiter, I cannot source profile. No, use your logic. When that is been put in input, what is that I will do from this side so that I can pull that from the input to the output. Okay, that's what the logic is. That's it. There is nothing. And to pull that, you know the Boolean search string, right? What you want, what you don't want. Simple as that. So if once you understand that logic, you will never have any fear working with any portal. Understood? So in major portals, we see so many such things, right? The certification, so many things are there. So in this video, we are only talking about portal related thing, and I'm not discussing anything strategic about what is that you do to connect with the people, to source the people, to take them to submission, to the interview, to the placement. We are not talking about that. I'm just trying to clarify you that if you have in your mind that I am not a good sourcer, I do not know how to use Boolean search effectively. So do one thing. Okay, as I told you, create your profile, whatever the information that you input, and everybody inputs that, and according to your need, you use the function to pull that. Simple as that. Alright people, wonderful. And again, if we are talking about Boolean search, okay, and you know that this is not something that you don't know. You know that Boolean search will have Boolean operators. What are the operators it has? And, or, not. We use bracket and double quotation, and we use asterisk as well. Okay. Now here in very short, and is something you want skills. I want Java and I want SQL Server, if that is what the database client is looking for. So Java and let's say we are talking about SQL Server. Alright, so you have used your quotation and you have used your bracket to give it a clarity or give it a direction or separate it, because whenever you are using operator, if you want to use some different operator, you better separate it so that you are giving instructions to the job board, right? You know that. So we are not going deep in here, but I am trying to tell you the logic, how exactly the portal works. And you need to work on your Boolean logic. Okay, if you have any question, put that in the comment box so that I'll see if that needs to be clarified. All right, now let's go to the portal. All right, I have taken snaps of the portal and I really don't have the real login from a company that I can use from my personal use. So from the snaps, from the images, I'll try to explain as much as I can. If you found it helpful, please let me know in the comment box. All right, wonderful. Welcome to the learning. So as much as information that I have gathered for you, I'm here will clarify you and will explain you that how you could be a better recruiter and use this portal for your benefit. All right, now let's get in. If you see, this is what, once after you log in, this is how you see the front page. Okay, here the home, where it will give the advanced search, features, everything. You have, if you have posted your jobs, you see your responses here, and primary happens the sourcing from ResDesk. Okay, that's what you got to click. Let's move. Once after you click ResDesk option, it will show up different option for you to do the sourcing and what is that there. Okay, so here if you click on search resumes, it will open up another page, and if you have saved your searches, it will save your search, so you can use this option as well. And what is this option? You save your search and any resume that matches to your search will get a trigger to your email saying this is what the profiles matching to your Boolean search. Okay, that's what you can use. And once you click on ResDesk, okay, then you get into the next page. This is what the page is, the sourcing page for you. All right, focus over here, people. Now here you can enter your keywords. Okay, it will have exclude and IT skill. You see that the experience, whatever has given the information, whatever asked for a job seeker to input, the same thing will be given here for us to use that as an output. Clear, people? Wonderful. Now here if you have to see, there is a key, right? Boolean off. So if you switch on it, it will take that and or logic, it will take and or string. If not, it will have individual strings it will take. All right, so let's move. Now what we have done, we switched it on and we started with the search here. Now it will definitely have minimum experience, maximum experience. You can use location and you can use notice period, everything that you can use. So here I'm showing how you can use the functions, because in the previous slide I have explained you that how logically you are going to think. Now for example, I have switched off the Boolean off, so I did not use OR function here. I wanted AWS, DevOps, CI, CD, Kubernetes, Oracle and MySQL. Okay, let's say this is the search, and 5 years experience to 8 years experience candidate I wanted, and within 7 days active. That's what I have given here my search. Now what is that I have given again? Current location: Chennai, Bangalore, Noida, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and according to you, you can mention multiple. Then include candidates who prefer to relocate to above location as well. So I have checked it. Okay, now if you don't want it, exclude candidates who have mentioned anywhere in. So if you have candidates, anything that you need to exclude, you can click it here, but I want people who have preferred to come to this location. Okay, now you can use these function to narrow down your search by salary. If people who has asked for salary or they have mentioned their expected salary, you can do that as well. Now employment details, so you can use it their functional area. Okay, what is there they are into. Then industry, which industry it could be. All right, it could be pharma, or it could be healthcare, hospitality, e-commerce, banking, finance, mortgage, if whatever it is. All right, you can add it in here. Then company name. Now here you can write a Boolean as well. Do you want from Microsoft or IBM or Google, whatever it is, right? You can use it in there. See, whatever they have given the input, The same thing only you can use and nothing much. Simple logic to work in the portal. Anyways, come here and you can add designation as well. And another thing is you can use the notice period. So you want someone who can join within 2 weeks, or a person who wants 3 months, or currently that person who is serving notice. Alright. Then education, you want someone from IIT, or you want someone from BITS Pilani, or whatever it is. Then you get into the last, active within 7 days, and then click on the search. Once you click the search button, this is the next page will open up. Alright. In the next page you see that whatever the profile it has. Okay. So I want to see 40 profiles in this page, and you can increase these profile numbers as well by this drop down. Totally this many pages are there. I mean, because this is very random search, so many skills we have given, right? So there are so many pages here, and active in 7 days. So this is what the freshness is. Relevance, we have not chosen anything else. Now this is how the profile will look like. If the person has added the photo, it will look, and you can use show the phone numbers, and this is what the just a preview without you opening the profile. This is how a preview looks like. Now here it will give an option. Okay, you can add to your folder, you can send emails. All right. Now here, if you see, if I click on the email one, you can send a job, send an email. Now I can check it up and I can send him email, or I can forward that to somewhere. But if I like all those 40 profiles, what I do, I'm going to select it, or whatever the profiles I like, I check the box, then I can use the mass email them as well. Now if you go down, there are different profiles you see according to the salaries, whatever that you have given. All right. And once you have sent the emails, it will go directly to their email box through Naukri. Okay. Now here, if you are not satisfied with the output, whatever it came, you can definitely increase or decrease these experiences, and you can play around with all those functions, whatever the criteria the portal provides. Understood? Now this is how you can use any portal. So before you use any portal, their functions, use your brain and make the logic. Okay. Recruiter success is in the logic rather than just using a portal. All right. Your success not only stays there, your real work starts when you send email. Before sending email, how strategically you gonna send? When you talk to the candidate, how connected you are there, how you build rapport. Those are things also plays a major role in a recruiting process. All right. I hope with whatever the data I have, I try to give you information. If you found it helpful, please let me know in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe. All right. Thank you so very much for being here. This is Suman Pachigula on a mission to impact 5 million lives through you. Take care and bye-bye.